What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to fix Steam error 50, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So basically guys, what you need to do are the following. So what is the Steam error code 50? So basically Steam error code 50 is basically appearing attempting to start your beloved game. This issue can prove to be highly aggravating, and basically guys, some of the causes are poor internet connection, router issues, maintenance mode. Basically if Steam is undergoing maintenance, user may encounter Steam error code 50, and temporary ISP issues. So what you can do to prevent this from happening: so check your internet connection or restart your router. So this should be your first step. Then if that doesn't work, make sure to clear Steam's cache by opening Steam and clicking on the Steam option located in the top left corner. Select settings, go on the downloads, clear download cache, and restart Steam and attempt to launch your game again. Third party is basically verify the integrity of the game files. Open Steam and navigate to your library. Right click on the game that is displaying the error and select properties. Click on local files, choose verify integrity of the game files, and restart Steam and try to launch it again. Of course, restart your PC and contact Steam support, which is your last resort if you cannot unsolve it. Make sure to check, of course, if Steam is undergoing maintenance, because it can happen sometimes and people do not check that. Actually, if you don't see maintenance under any specific part of the Steam, just type in into your browser when is the next Steam maintenance. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.